Hey guys, so today we are mounting the Eurowise front skid plate, something that I have dearly missed for so long, something that I've needed. So I've got the nutsert tool, and I got new lug nuts, the actual conical ones instead of ball seat. So I'll be replacing those today as well. But also the car's on 35s now. So if you haven't seen it anywhere else, here it is. And it is a tight fit. And up front, it is gnarly and only going to get more and more gnarly. Okay, let's start replacing it. Woo. So I swear, I've run into problem after problem with this car. Just little things when I'm going to install a part or something. This time though, the nutsert tool that I purchased did not come with an M12. An M12 is the size that you need for the Eurowise hardware. So these nutserts that they provided, you need the M12. I do not have the M12. So I'm gonna try and check Home Depot and see if they have anything. If not, I'm gonna have to wait and then buy another thing from Amazon and wait even longer. So here we go. So sometimes you have to improvise when things don't go your way. The nutsert tool that I ordered off Amazon didn't come with the right size socket or the right size tool for the hardware, Eurowise included. So currently I'm using the old school way of mounting a riv nut. You have an outer bolt kind of a little bit longer than the one that Eurowise provided, so just go visit your local hardware store. You have the bolt, you have a washer, you have a nut that is easily like sliding over the bolt, and then on top of that you're gonna have a locking washer. So that's gonna secure this one to the riv nut so it doesn't slide whenever you're tightening this in, and then it'll eventually pull this together, and it does the same thing as a nutsert tool, just a little bit harder. So that's the way I'm doing this. It sucks, but I gotta do it. Put it back on. Put the,
oh yeah, this is right here.
Okay, so we were having some trouble with the nutsert because we're not able to like really get under the car. We don't have the nutsert tool. So we're using this pneumatic jack to push up on the bolts as I'm tightening it and as I'm holding this crescent wrench in place, and then also this breaker bar holding it in place. So all I'm doing is tightening this, and it's really getting the nutsert jammed in there. So this is my only solution, the only thing that I could think of that would work. So we're making it happen. Okay, so the skid plate's up at least. Now I just have to finish mounting the other 4 bolts. This really wasn't too bad, all in all. Okay, so skid plate is fully mounted. Now I shouldn't really have anything to worry about underneath the car, or underneath the front at least. I still need to get Eurowise's fuel tank skids, rear control arm skids, transfer case, and sliders, and then I'll be all good.